Hi everyone, it's Katie from Hill & Marks, and today we're talking about PURELL's Body Fluid Spill Kit. The Body Fluid Spill Kit is a safe and effective way for employees to quickly clean up even the messiest of spills and accidents at work. Give yourself and your establishment the PURELL peace of mind by using the PURELL Body Fluid Spill Kit. Watch and see. The Body Fluid Spill Kit is a double-packed, single-use kit used to clean up all types of body fluid spills, vomit, blood, feces, etc. The Body Fluid Spill Kit contains 2 complete single-use kits, an 8-ounce bottle of PURELL Surface Sanitizer, head-to-toe personal protective equipment for employees, hospital-grade absorbent that gels up 2 liters of blood, vomit, and other body fluids. The Body Fluid Spill Kit, powered by PURELL, saves the day. Step 1. Identify the spill site and close off foot traffic. Oh, that is a doozy. I need the PURELL Body Fluid Spill Kit. Perfect. Let's get down to business. Put on your personal protective equipment, aka your superhero costume. Remove the cap and seal and attach the trigger spray. Saturate the spill site using 1/3 and 1/2 of the food service sanitizer bottle and wait 30 seconds. Sprinkle the absorbent powder over the spill site, starting from the outer edge to the center. Wait 30 seconds. Use the scraper and dustpan and throw away. Use the food service sanitizer again and wait 30 seconds. Wipe any residue clean with the wipe that you were provided. Use remaining food service sanitizer. Tie and then put into the first trash bag. Discard your personal protective equipment in one swoop. Just kidding, follow these steps. Remove shoes, hair cover, face mask, remove the gown and break the neck and loop of gown by pushing it forward away from the body. Use the inside of the sleeves to remove the gloves. Dispose of the bag. And use the PURELL hand sanitizer. Then thoroughly wash your hands for 20 seconds. The Body Fluid Spill Kit, powered by PURELL, saves the day. This product provides rapid kill times, including E. coli, norovirus, and salmonella, in only 30 seconds. Not all heroes wear capes. Some wear PURELL Spill Kit gowns. Visit hillandmarks.com today to learn more about this product, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give yourself the PURELL peace of mind.